This is a light language transmission for any invasive procedures from the medical profession or any medical professionals that you're under their care, you're trusting their guidance, you're trusting they know what to do. Any areas where they have botched up or not been fully present with your care or not considered your full well-being. So this is going to clear any traumas in your body where that has happened, or any traumas through all time, space, dimension, past lives, every level of your being that would attract anything like that, where you're under the care of someone who is not fully knowing and doing the right thing, the best, the highest, best for you. And this will also clear up any previous invasive procedures that went wrong and correct your body, help your body to correct itself from that, which almost undoes what has happened. So the result of that, while you're integrating, will be that you might have symptoms come up as they're exiting your body that were the result of those kind of invasive procedures or incorrect diagnoses or incorrect ways of managing the issue. So any repercussions from that, you might feel those symptoms come up in your body, but don't suppress them, don't judge them, allow them to come up and come out. To come out, they've got to come through. So it'll be momentary, and the more you can understand that that's just a clearing out and a part of the healing process and not actually a re-injured, the more it can move out more quickly. And the more you listen to this recording, the more the deeper it'll go and the more things it'll clear out. So it's something you can listen to over and over again in one sitting. It's also something that you can listen to, say, every day or a couple of times a week to get through the next layer of those issues. So it's working with anything in the past where that's happened, not just in this lifetime, anywhere, and it's clearing into the future, preventing that kind of situation so that you're naturally drawn to the right practitioners for you, that listen to you, that see the way clearly and are fully involved in your well-being and treatment for your highest good. So you just get into a comfortable space, a comfortable receptive space, and just allow the sounds to wash over you. Let anything come up in your mind that passes through. Let any sensations in your body come up, and just allow them to come out. Just welcome them with love, even discomfort, even pain, even negative emotions. Let them come up. Let them wash out. If you need to cry, cry. But just allow the sounds to wash over you. They naturally know where to go. And they'll do their job. And as I say, each time you listen to this, it may be different experiences as it addresses a different level of the same issue. So just get comfortable, open your heart, get in a receptive space, and we're going to allow the healing to come through. Ama arikara isha anta ama anin ina ara ama ana ina ama a. Isa a ara a inta aka ama ina ama ana ina ma ana ama ana mana a. Isa a ara akama am ina amana 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 inta ama ana ana a. Inta ama mana inta ama ika anta 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 ira anta ama ana 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 a. Ira asisha anta anta anka anta anka anta anka anta anka. Isa ara anta anta anka anta anka anta 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 a. Isa ara anta ama ana ama ina ama ana ima ana ama ina ama ana ima ana ama ana a. Isa ara ana ama ina ama 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 ina ama ana ama ana ama ana a. Isa ara ama ana 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 ama ana ana ama ana a. Isa ara ama ana isha ana ama ara ana 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 ara ana 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 a. Really feeling this in the throat. The throat is the expression of your truth, of your knowing. So that's almost like if you're expressing symptoms or worries or anything to someone who you're trusting to care for you, not being heard, or they're not listening properly, or they're thinking about whatever else, and not finding the right way. So that's, we're working with the part where you're expressing your need, you're going through your symptoms, you're trusting this person to find the solution for you. Ana ama ana ina ama ana iana ama ina ana ana ara ama ana 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 ina ama ana 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 ara ana ana ama ana ina ana 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 ana. We're clearing out through the voice box as well. Ana ama ina ana ama ana ina ama ana ana ina ara ama ana ina ara ama. Being clearly heard by those that are caring for you. Ana ara ima ana ana ira ana ama ani ira ana ama ana 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 ina ara ina ana ina ana ana ara. Sacral chakra, which is where we relate to others. So clear connection with the others that are directing your care. Ana ara ama ana ara ama ana ina ana ara ama ana ira ana 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 ama ana ira ana ama ina isha ina ara ina asha ara ana ana ira ana ana ama ana ara ana isha ama ana isa a isa kara ana ina ama ani ina ara ana ina ama ana ina isha ina ara ina isha isha isa inta ara ana ama ina ara ana ama ina ara asa aka a isa ana ara ama asa inta asa aka ama ara ina ama ana ina ara ina inta aka a asa ara aka a isa ara aka isa ara aka. Okay, I'm feeling a real clearing through that sacral area now, and your belly where you relate to others. So it's clarity in connection to others that are directing your care, so that they really fully understand your needs and they can really fully find the right path forward. Ana ima ana ana ara. So now the crown chakra, this is where we connect to our higher guidance, which is knows the right path for you beyond the logical mind. So the solution may not be logical, but you will be naturally guided to the information. You might come across something online or in an email, or someone might suggest something, and you will just feel the resonance of, that's true for me, that's going to help me. So that path forward, not only being directed by a professional that knows the way, but also the right path forward coming in from your higher knowing, and the heavens and God, source, creation. Okay, that's a big one. So just give yourself a minute to receive that. You can really feel that coming into the chest to be integrated as a reality of, yes, I can receive that and I can be a participant in my own correct path forward. Ama ana asa inta ama asa anta ara aka asa aka 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 aka. Clearing where that's getting stuck in the chest so that it can fully move into the whole body. So it's not just the knowing of the direction forward, but it's also being able to receive healing directly from your helpers in the other dimensions, such as angels, your guides, your higher knowing, loved ones that have passed on. Ana ama isa ana ama ana 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 ama ana ana ama ana ana ama ana ana. Yeah, good. That's just dropping in now. That's moving in through the whole body, and even into the earth. It's being grounded through you. Ana ama ana ana ana. So you're a pure channel of your higher knowing, help from above, plus help on the ground from professionals that know the way and are fully invested in your well-being, and finding those people, and finding forms of support from from other sources as well that you're naturally guided to. Asaka, 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 inta ara asaka asa, inta asa a, inta asa a, inta asa kara asaka a, inta ara kasa asaka a, inta asa ka ara asaka a, ira ama ana ina ama ama ara ana ima ara ana ama ana ama ana ama a. Isa ana ara, isa ana ara, ina amana ara ana ama a. Isa ara ika ara a, isa a, isa a, isa aka 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 ka, isa aka ka, isa aka ka, isa aka ka, ara ka, isa aka a, isa ka ara ka, isa ka ira ka, isa ka ara ka, isa ka a, isa ka ara ka, isa ka ira ka, irka iska, 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 iska ara ka, iska ira ka, aska ira ka a. Iska araka iska iraka iska araka iska iraka iska iraka iska amana imina amana imina a. Iska amana imina imina amana imina amana imina imina iska amana irama inima amana iska ma a. Feeling a feeling of helplessness and being in other people's hands, that feeling of not having control or power, being at the mercy of your body and of the medical system or the health system. So that's releasing now because you're becoming more empowered and more trusting of your ability to find the right way to heal yourself and to find the right people to help you. So there's less of a powerlessness. But in the meantime, those feelings of powerlessness need to move out. So allow them to move through. Amana is kama anima inima anima inima inima anima that was a really sped up and amplified download of light codes and energy activations. It's a really big release of lots of different things coming out of your body now. Coming out of your head, your neck, your chest, your arms, coming out of the cells. So just allow that to happen. Might feel a bit tingly. Just let it come out. Amana akama anama akama anama akama anama asma anama akama anama asma akama 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 a. Ira asma a, irma a, irma arma arma irma irma arma a. Irma 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 arma irma 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 irma. I'm feeling like a detox through the digestive system now. So it feels like if you've ever had medications, the toxic parts of the medications, things that maybe not so good for you, that your body doesn't like, clearing out. It feels like a heat in the belly as it clears out. And if it's ever been something quite acidic that's damaged the stomach lining, it's kind of repairing the stomach lining. Asama irama arama irama irama arama irama arama arama asma irama arasma aramasa 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 irama 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 a. Isma a, isma a, isma a, isma ikma, isma isma ka, isma ikma, isma isma, isma isma a. Irma isma, irma isma, irma isma, Ikama, iskama, 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 ikama, iskama, 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 iskama. Irma, iskama, 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 iskama. Okay, really can feel that clearing out through the ears. So it's also anything that you've heard that was incorrect and not really in your highest good is clearing out around your care and what's right for you and what's going to help you. So it's going to also help you to recognise what, like innately, it's kind of gut instinct when what is spoken to you that is right is right. So it's going to help you to discern the difference rather than that blind trust in somebody else who may or may not have it right. Isma, kama, 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 amana, 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 irma, anama, 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 kama, 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 kama. Isma, kama, 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 isma, 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 isma. Okay, that's it. So make sure